See my breath is fucking freezing now. God damn. But yeah, it's just all done. It really wasn't anywhere near as complicated, I guess, as I thought. Like, I wanted to go to a shop and have it, you know, someone else that knows what they're doing do it. But really, with a Dremel in a place that no one's ever gonna look unless they're helping me work on the car or something, I sand it down. There's no rough edges. It's not gonna cut me. It's not the prettiest. It's the first time ever doing it, and I mean, it is what it is. I had to get shit done. I'm just super stoked to get these coilovers on. I keep saying it. I'm sorry. I'm probably annoying you guys, but I'm fucking pumped. You gotta realize, everybody that I lost to against this past race season in autocross had coilovers and buttloads of camber. I came back and beat some of those people, or we went back and forth, you know, whatever. But having coilovers and having camber and maybe a little less weight and a little stiffer of a rear end, get me a little more oversteery, is gonna help out a lot. It's gonna make this season way different, especially actually starting out with a good set of tires and all this. I kind of changed a lot of things up over the course of last year's season. Pads and rotors, wheels, tires, updated tune, changing intakes, changing intercoolers, you know, just all types of shit. So there won't be, I wouldn't expect any real huge changes during this next race season. So I'm trying to get it all done now. Of course, there will be parts, as you know, as money comes, there's always something to buy. I just made up a list the other night of just a few things that I want, and it's just ridiculous, the amount. I still need to get a hold of my insurance and take pictures and stuff to get my windshield replaced, get that tinted with a banner, and then with my fenders and hood, hopefully they don't want to fix it and we'll just pay it out so I can get carbon fenders and hood. That would be sick. I'm not gonna hold, you know, count my chickens or whatever, but yeah, I don't know. I don't know if there's any more I'm even gonna add to this video. I'm sorry, it was kind of boring. I pictured it more exciting, you know, getting up close to the camera and this and that, but I didn't want to get metal all over the lens, or, you know, I'm not trying to buy a new camera or nothing, whatever. Anyway, the next video should be these coilovers going in, so stay tuned for that. Fucking excited. And I'll catch you on the flip-flop.